Blue Banger hangers are engineered to save you time and money over competing products. The inserts of choice for mechanical, plumbing, fire sprinkler, and electrical contractors. The original patented multi-threaded Blue Banger hangers changed the face of the anchoring industry. There's a reason the Blue Banger Hanger PIP pour-in-place inserts are the go-to standard for wood-form poured decks. The pour-in-place inserts offer all the benefits of the steel deck inserts, plus a large plastic base with red, white, and blue slurry seals to protect the threads during and make the inserts easy to locate after the pour. When forms are stripped, nails are easy to break off prior to installing the threaded rod. Eliminates the need for rod couplers with multiple threaded rod sizes in the same insert, allowing for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch rod, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 5/8 inch rod, and 5/8 and 3/4 inch rod. The Blue Banger hangers come with optional multicolored ID tabs and easily allow threaded rod size changes after install. Blue Banger Hanger didn't just stop at making the best inserts. We created a set of install tools, pulls, and accessories to make your life even easier and ease the wear and tear on your body experienced with typical installs. All Blue Banger Hanger products are OSHPD pre-approved, ICC and FM approved, UL listed, and available Buy American Act compliant upon request. Reduce your labor costs and inventory. Increase your project flexibility and improve the integrity of your support systems with Blue Banger hangers.